My people, wonder shall never end. It not happen again. Now Jpac comment, my people. This message, so this strong message when Jpac carry come out, my people, this one heavy. And who is sent am to? Now YulEdochie, my people. Not be small thing. He said the way when YulEdochie take the act. Say it can't be like say Juju don't use am, Judy Austin don't use am. Finish. You don't cook otomokpo. You don't carry Juju take hold YulEdochie. Jpac paro for this man. So when they call Yuli, when no can get respect for social media again. The man where everybody they respect, they give her respect, they say na legend. Like this man be. Now, no more legend though. They use that they they play. They use that they create grant as they use rag. That's so they use Yuli now. Since when Yuli know Judy Austin, my people, things can't change. Oh, it can't be like say Yuli no can know what they do again. Everybody they vex for YulEdochie. Everybody they vex for this man. If una see the kind strong message when Jpac comedy give Yuli, it go shock una. It go shock una. Even this man forget say he pikin kpai. You know even the reason say pikin kpai come up for his hand again because of Judy Austin. My people, things they happen. May you not come say I too talk. Make una listen to this strong message when Jpac comedy give YulEdochie. You go choke una, make una regard it.
Lord, thank you, Lord, for everything you have done. Thank you, thank you.
Judy Austin, allow YulEdochie to mourn in son. Too much of everything is bad. Barabara Ferof na danger. Mbobina for this man. In a post bomber to bomber. Are you even happy? No lose room. And YulEdochie say, I don't even know what is wrong with you. A name make only teen in my bottle. Now name no konya teen in my bottle. This love, Abracabras love. Cab say something day inside. I hear the name. Neno Probosia. Can you just now? I'm happy that this man is weak. Propose. Are you even rejoicing? By now, you could say no calm. You could see him on Facebook by now. He post. What? Everybody's keeping quiet. I'm going to get it. I'm going to get it. No, he need post. Here I go. I remember. Which guy I boy. Now one game. YulEdochie, I'm asking you. In Abu naked that you could now one game. Kina abu na gina Judy na go to kaya on the go na Facebook na Instagram. Ne go don you take the chuku ba ya mema chuku eri na are. Judy Austin, remember you're a woman. You when one kid you're a woman. Do something like onya kawa fibo. He post. Man nobu. Would I even call it Facebook monetization? Call abu. He post. He gets to every hour. YulEdochie. Why you leave me? You not more song. Mboje mwa wupu nerube. How many months? He post kwa. Mabuye na 15 years wajiri odogu wajiri nwo bia yul ka ngwa agwa ana akpọ odogu gara agbago era akpọ odogu oga iburo zo odogu ife obogida aba odi egwu oga iburo odogu ife ibu na abu odi egwu asi amu nwoke ya buru nwoke amu nwaanyị ya buru nwaanyị. You have turned to a woman. It is like a woman rapper. Amara gị jeba this side, amara gị jeba this side, amara gị jeba unebe content. Facebook monetization. Can one ya bu gbajiri nwo e hapu nwanya bu ogbara na kpara panda buru buku na kpara panda so nwa ki hedu nuku na atọ. Can't you play that love inside your home? When you guys know na abu na teach no 7 no after all Solomon or 700 wife and 300 concubines. Maintain all of them. Man, Solomon still be wisest man on earth. Because you're the wisest man on earth, the hardest thing you can control in life. Or if you can control a woman, if you have control, you know what? So the reason why Solomon is the most wisest person on earth, but not control 700, no side cheek 300, making it 1,000, and in a year, if I win in a year, 365 days in a year, which means a day, one woman, a day, one woman. So before wrote on, he just signed the signature, fill low form. Solomon, never reached my turn, no, Yake Piamoku. Still, will control my knee now. We have that, but maybe the matter with the Bible. Sons of Solomon, King Solomon, this and that. No, for one, you can't no pro, no one came walk or not, Bagara. Or now, Bagara, it was your side chicken, do whatever now, when they were under the mega admire. Imani, a Jojamana, will the church. Oh, young man, 15 years. Can I be post one car? Judy, I don't know, Mammy, and about me, Budico, in a bottle. Come on, enough is enough. Be a man who can Mama Guranya. Jera bara Bible buru, Jera bara Bible buru, Ajira bara Jesus, where the Bible buru, Nambiale, not to Madame Alita Webuaga, booking them hard as say, no days about them where Taranage, Madi Begina, Canto Quasara, Obimnine. Chimekwe wala kandu wajuamu ole chibo okoko emano ole chi kana ajugo now ekwada kandu wajuamu ole chi but ole chi kana ajugo now you no ibusu ihe odogwu ihe bụ no bụ odi egwu na ege isi hapụ onwe gị no nwa totoro to gara botoro kuchie gị na aṅụ 3 times a day morning afternoon night onye mana ịṅụra mamịrị Judy ara deka watermelon iburu isi ya mere nkwacha were so ya n'etiti ogbara Judy ịṅụrụ n'aka na ịṅụrụ n'aka ekpe wee were ara wee ṅụchie brain gị were ara ṅụchie anya gị were ara imezi nnọọ ka nna gị bụzi odogwu Pete the Lion of Africa tọtọrọ imeji nna gị na-egbugide igbu eriri ị na-abụ abụ na onye nwa ya nwụrụ ka Judy jidere tina bọtụrụ na-agbara ya ụtụtụ ehihie abalị na-aṅụ marakwana n'ihe na asị nwampi ya mara ihe na nne ka erere wee gụrụ ji nwampi sị mba ị na-abụ abụ eburu onwe gị na-abụ abịaghị ka kwuru ha si n'ebe a pụọ. Praise the Lord. Gaanụ n'ọrụ ana ụmụ okoko.
My people, share on and don't listen to Jpac. The kind strong message when you give Yuli. Yuli Abba. Nobody even they respect you again. Since when you know Judy Austin. You any small thing, Pakam, you don't post Juju. You forget say something happen. You forget your pecan. Went by. You say nothing they happen, no shaking. You with Judy Austin. Come be like say, and they use the thing they pay me. God go reward una, may na continue. And that thing when Judy Austin give you, it go expired. My people, make una pray. Make things like Judy Austin make it not happen to una. This Judy Austin, I don't even know the type of kanya matter when they use for YulEdochie. This man not gonna get himself again, my people. Now I want for leave una. Thank you guys for watching, and I so much appreciate you guys. Bye bye everyone.